I'm Jakub Kovařík from PVS, Prague Water Board, and I would like to introduce the Prague case. We cooperate on this case with two Prague University, Czech Technical University, and Chemical Technological University in Prague, and with Storm Aqua. Could you go to next slide? Okay. We would like demonstrate the feasibility and reusing wastewater from our plant, and we would like to compare the European legislation too, and we would like to do pilot test for irrigation, because we would like to see the potential of reclaimed water on condition on the Czech Republic. Okay, we could go to the next slide. How should be demonstrated? We in the preparation we focus on the real test on the rain garden boxes in neighborhood central wastewater treatment plant in Prague, and we would like to compare the irrigation test from some sources. It means river of Vltava, and two sources or three sources from new water line. It means from part of a central wastewater treatment plant. One is effluent from a new water line. One is the effluent with UV disinfection, and one is effluent with UV disinfection and ultrafiltration. Because we need a good comparison, we would like 1 year of irrigation tests, and of course it's necessary to do a lot of sampling, water, plants, soil metrics, and so. We could go to next slide. Where is our central wastewater treatment plant? We have placed the central wastewater treatment plant for all Prague in the Imperial Island. It's between River Vltava and channel for the ships. On the left picture, you could see the older line that is right now under preparation, the modernization. We have a zoning permit, and we would like to do some modernization. And we have a new water line that was built and start trial operation in 2018. We could go to the next slide. New water line was, or you could see the technological scheme about a new water line. We have primary sedimentation, biological lines for biological lines, 40 secondary settling tanks, and tertiary treatment that are 3 settlers for dosing chemical to reducing the phosphorus. Please, next slide. And this is some information about our capacity, because on the we have central wastewater treatment plant for 1.6 million people equivalent. This for new water line, it's for 50% on the design, it means 0.8 million population equivalent, and you could see the flows or maximum flows. In the Prague, we don't have the separate sewage for the rain. It means that we have very big differences between dry weather and during rain. This is why we have a big capacity on all plants. And tertiary treatment are only on the new water line. This is why we have 4.1 cubic meters on new water line as capacity, and 7.1 only during. Next slide, please. For your information about the effluent from a new water line, you could see the design parameters, and on the right side are the dates average from current trial operation. You could see that we have a relatively low suspended solid BOD and all parameters in the fact. Means that our water is relatively clean. Okay, next slide, please. We discuss during preparation and beginning the project where should be places the rain guarded boxes. We have choose some location, but we are limited because we are under flooding area, and after negotiation we have to find the place that is protected to the flooding. Now we have place on the current or older water line, and we would like to place the demonstration unit here. Next slide, please. What should be the key issue about the rain guarded boxes? This will be for demonstration unit. Each one is for 3 part. It means each part will be for the different plants, and we would like to compare the 4 sources of water for irrigation, and for each source of water will be 3 types of plants. Next slide, please. Of course, because we would like compare the sources of irrigation and so on, the type of plants, means that will be necessary a lot of sampling. You can see that we would like to sample the biomass, the irrigation water, called red, and we because we would like to reduce the weather condition, we expect that will be some roof. Okay, next slide, please. The tile of what should be measured is on the slide. Of course, we will have some online measurement, but mostly will be based on some analysis, physicochemical, microbiological, micropollutants, and metals or micronutrients. Slide, please. Okay, what is our challenge, or what is what is our issue. Of course, we would like to see the comparison of irrigation and between the sources and prove if or the result from each type of greens, and we would like to see the comparison with EU regulation that is valid. And of course, we have to reduce to try to reduce the long period in the winter. It means about freezing, or the huge rain. This is why, or this is some little barrier, but we would like to install the roof. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, so it's an. If you have some question, you could ask, or